Hi, I'm John from Autel. In a previous video, we introduced you to Autel's new generation of TPMS tools, the ITS600. It features a 5.5-inch high-definition touchscreen display, a 5,000 mAh battery for extended use, as well as Bluetooth and Wi-Fi capability to make updating easier. Included with the ITS600 is our MaxiTPMS wireless dongle that connects to the vehicle's OBD2 port for faster relearns and module communication for diagnostics. When it comes to TPMS sensor replacement, the tool is designed for use with Autel's exclusive MX Sensor 1 sensor, which offers superior coverage and reliability. This is the TBE200 laser examiner, Autel's laser-enabled tire tread depth and brake disc measurement system. Even before a vehicle enters the bay, the TBE200 can decipher the condition of the tires and the wear characteristics. This provides service centers a great head start when evaluating a vehicle. Test specifications can be viewed on the integrated 1.65-inch high-resolution AMOLED display. The TBE200's powerful feature set can be used as a standalone device, but the benefits increase when used in conjunction with the ITS600 TPMS and service tool. Today we're going to show you how to pair the ITS600 with the TBE200. This will provide the best user experience and enable the TBE's measurement data to be included in the detailed scan report that can be printed or emailed to a customer. The first thing we need to do is make sure that both devices are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. Plug the VCI200 into the vehicle's diagnostic port. Select the year, make, and model on the ITS600 using the optical camera or through manual selection. After activating the TPMS sensors and performing a diagnosis, tap the Wear Detection tab. TBE click to connect to device. You'll see the serial number of the TBE device appear on the screen. Tap to connect. Tap tire tread on the TBE200 and begin taking measurements. The values will appear on the ITS600 and are included in the ITS600's vehicle health report. We hope the powerful combination of the ITS600 and TBE200 will help generate additional revenue for your shop or fleet. Thanks for watching.